Here at Holly Chevrolet, when you buy a certified pre-owned vehicle, we kick it off with a 24-month, 24,000-mile maintenance program.
What that involves, it runs through the shop and we get one of our certified mechanics to do the inspection. You got to make sure that all safety recalls are finished. You go through there and check the brakes, make sure the brakes are under inspection, make sure the tires are under inspection. And then you'll get a free oil change.
We offer 2 factory-backed warranties, the first one being a 6-year or 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. The second is 12 months or 12,000 miles bumper-to-bumper warranty. So the customer is covered when they leave if they were to have any issues.
If they are not completely satisfied with that automobile, they have 3 days or 150 miles to bring it back and switch it for a like vehicle.
You're going to drive off with peace of mind that my car is covered and taken care of with a warranty. It's had a 172-point inspection done on it. You can drive off free of any kind of problems.